everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo. What's up? What's up? Manu has dropped a song. Love it. Love it. Listen, after Jhol, I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting. My fanness for Manu and his writing and his music was already here. Now, then it went here. Now let's see where it goes. So yay, it's called Samne. And he announced it on Instagram and I was excited from that moment. And then the last time I sat for a recording, it hadn't released yet. So I was like, but today it has arrived. It is here. So yay, it says written, composed, and performed by Manu, produced by Manu and Luke Azaria. Guitars by Luke Azaria. Nice. Deal Tahir, okay. Guitars ka presence heavy hone wala hai. I like that. Directed by Zain Pirzada and Luke Azaria. Okay. DOP is also Zain, edited also by Zain. Okay, lovely yaar. I like it. Let's just get straight into it. I have a feeling it's going to be emo romantic. I could be wrong though, but let's see. Chalo, Samne. 1, 2, 3, play.
जिंदगी है ले आई मुझे किस मोड़ पे है, अनजाने रास्तों पे आ गया मैं दौड़ के। कैसे जाऊंगा मैं अब वापस सब छोड़ के, है डर क्यों लग रहा सुनसानी का है चौक ये है। तू आई जैसे रोशनी खिड़की की नोक से, तूने कहा मेरी खुशी ही तेरी खोज है। दिखाया रास्ता और ये के दिल पर जोर है, अंधेरी रातों में दिया जलाया बोल। आसमां में जरा जान दे वो तारे जो बिल्कुल साथ हैं, वो हैं हम जो हैं चमकते तेरे नाम पे। छोड़ दे तू ये गिले दे, क्या है सामने, क्या है सामने इस जहां में। वजन जो है दिल पे मेरे कंधों पे डालते हैं कसम तुझसे कि तू ही मेरी जान है। रही तू अब बस यहीं आ मेरे साथ में, मेरे सामने। मेरी गल सुन माही, हुण पड़ी है मुसीबत का दी। तेरे बिन मेरा दिल धड़कदा ही नहीं है, साथ न साथ है साथी। छोड़ो जो हासिल नहीं है, सहरा में होती बारिश नहीं है। पर इन अंधेरों में ये प्यार ही दिया जलाए। हाँ ये बातें सुनने में लगे सुहानी, होता ना ऐसे है जिंदगी में आदी हूँ मैं धोखों का, पर फिर भी खुद को रोकूं ना मैं। है मेरी तुझसे एक गुजारिश कि ना होना दिल बेजार। तू ही तो है मेरी रातों का उजाला। हाँ आसमां में जरा जान देख वो तारे जो बिल्कुल साथ हैं, वो है हम जो हैं चमकते तेरे नाम पे। छोड़ दे तू ये गिले दे, क्या है सामने, क्या है सामने इस जहां में। वजन जो है दिल पे मेरे कंधों पे डालते हैं कसम तुझसे कि तू ही मेरी जान है। रही तू अब बस यहीं हाँ मेरे साथ में, मेरे सामने।
See the droplets falling. Very cute. Flux Media. Well done. Very sweet song. My God, his writing. How is his writing so sweet? It's good. This is a very, very easy to loop song. And I have to say that we'll come to his writing and singing and all of that, but the way the guitar was being played, strummed in this song, in the middle, when it kind of had that little interlude, I was like, 1 second, this is not even sounding like a guitar. It is, but it's not. There was some kind of plucking style or technique that was being used that made it sound like a classical instrument. I don't know if you felt that, but I did. And um it was very beautiful. It was very intriguing to listen to it. I was just like, how is this? Or is it the treatment that's been given on top? Because thoda wo like it was sounding very bhara hua. I don't know if I like that's the right word, but it was sounding very full. It was a very rich, full sound, and it didn't sound like a guitar normally would. So I really like that. So I don't know. That's just my thoughts and my feelings. But Luke would be the best person to tell us if I'm onto something or I'm imagining it. So okay, that I really love that. And even towards the end when it happened and the fade out happened, I was like, oh, this section and this style of playing it or whatever treatment they've given it is just really nice. It's so easy to loop this song. Not just because Manu's vocals and the lyrics and the music and everything is so soothing and just calming. It's like a balm. It's like a soothing balm. Um, um, yeah, it was the overall like sonic scale was very easy to loop. And and there's a lot of like depth in his writing and he's very young because when Jhol was happening and we were talking about it for so many days, even after the reactions to Jhol, I kept getting so many, like it was insane to me, more than even Blockbuster or anything else that has gone viral. I got the most DMs about Jhol and how people who normally don't even loop music and songs, they were like, I can't stop playing this song on repeat. I got a lot of such messages and I was like, why is everyone sending me the same sentiment and thought after this song? Everybody's looping it. Everyone is loving the writing. And it was Manu who's writing. So it really hit people. And I was not very surprised because I've always admired his writing, especially in this emo space and in this genre space. So Jhol was just a revelation, I think, for a lot of people when it comes to Manu as an artist. And I'm glad I'm like here for it. But you can see, it continues. And what really got me when the Jhol era was on, Jhol era, जब झोल का era चल रहा था, तब like एक चीज हाईलाइट हुई कि वो बहुत young है मानो. He's only 25, 26. And I keep saying this, anyone in their mid early 20s or 20s in general, when they write like really deep lines or very like high on the EQ lines, then I get very curious about how are they able to tap into all this, because it doesn't come just out of nowhere. So either you've had a very like high on EQ conversations around you in general in your life growing up, or you've been surrounded by people whose like emotional intelligence is very high and who've passed on that sort of knack to you to tap into these emotions that are around you all the time and in people around you or within you and all of that. So I found that very intriguing, and he's definitely one of the artists who has that knack to do that, and especially at a young age. So more power to him. इसके lyrics नहीं है यहाँ पे. What the hell? Artists, please pin your lyrics in the description. Yeah, it's just easier for us. But then who said life would be easy? नहीं है, कहीं नहीं है. Google पे भी नहीं है, Genius पे भी नहीं है. Anyway, point is beautiful. These are just beautiful, emotional, heartfelt, sweet, honest, and real lyrics. And I'm always here, whether it was a track that I recently covered, Khush Nasibi, Abdul Ka, yeah, this one. It's just that they are very raw and real emotion that's being presented to us as a listener, and we can relate because very, very universal it is. It's very universal, and we don't need like बहुत ही deep like शायरी वाले words या ये वो नहीं. Just जब आपका emotion honest होता है और वो आपके lyrics में simple way में convey हो जाता है listener को, then that's it. That's all you need. That's all we need as a fan of music. to make our day, you know. So that happened here. And I have to say the soundscape, the overall, like along with the guitar, everything else that was happening, it was just so rich. It was so rich. And it was like, what is the word I'm looking for? You know, when a gulab jamun is like dipped in the syrup, like it's dipped, like fully submerged, and it's full of that sugary, sweet liquid. It's just that. It was full of, like, it was just seeping in emotion, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So it was very rich and amazing. And it was something that you could maro dubki in and just stay in, you know, submerged in. That's the point I'm trying to make. I don't know if I'm making any sense. It's been a long day, but yeah. Because Manu is such a poet, and because he writes so beautifully, this is my request to his team. Whenever he releases a track, please show us the lyrics. I mean, please pin them in the description box or in the comments on top. Oh, one sec. If I open the transcript of this video, then I can see जिंदगी है ले आई मुझे किस मोड़ पे अनजाने, रास्तों पे आ गया मैं दौड़ के कैसे जाऊंगा, मैं अब वापस सब छोड़ के, है डर क्यों लग रहा, सुनसानी का है चौक ये, तू आई जैसे रोशनी खिड़की की नोक से, तूने कहा. So sweet this line was. Love it, love it. My name also means रोशनी, I'm just saying. नोक से तूने कहा मेरी खुशी ही तेरी खोज है. So sweet. दिखाया रास्ता और ये कि दिल पुरजोर है, अंधेरी रातों में दिया जलाया बोल आसमां में जरा जान देख, वो तारे जो बिल्कुल साथ हैं, वो है हम जो हैं चमकते तेरे नाम पे. So sweet. छोड़ दे तू ये गिले देख क्या है सामने, छोड़ दे तू ये गिले देख क्या है सामने, क्या है सामने इस जहां में, वजन जो है दिल पे मेरे कंधों पे डाल दे, वजन जो है दिल पे मेरे कंधों पे डाल दे. That was such a sweet line. है कसम तुझसे कि तू ही मेरी जान है, रही तू अब बस यही, आ मेरे साथ में मेरे सामने. भाई साहब आप बहुत क्यूट हो. नया मेरी गल सुन माही उड़ पड़ी है मुसीबत, कदी तेरे बिन दिल धड़कदा ही नहीं है, साथ ना साथ है साथी छोड़ो, जो हासिल नहीं है सहरा में होती बारिश नहीं है, पर इन अंधेरों में ये प्यार ही दिया जलाए, हाय बातें सुनने में लगी, सुहानी होता ना इस है जिंदगी में. Okay, the lines are written like the breaks are at wrong places, so I don't know if I'm reading it right. मैं धोखे का पर फिर भी खुद को रोकूं ना, मैं है मेरी तुझसे एक गुजारिश की ना होना दिल जले, तू ही तो है मेरी रातों का उजाला, हाँ आसमां में जरा जा देखा वो तारे जो बिल्कुल साथ हैं, वो है हम जो है चमकते तेरे नाम पे. Okay, and then the chorus ends. Beautiful chorus, beautiful melody, beautiful composition, beautiful poetry, beautiful writing, and the video just complemented the whole thing really, really beautifully. Just a rich song. I couldn't tell one thing. There was a thought that came to me at the end. I couldn't tell one thing because there was a burning of a rose and burning of papers and all that also happening. So I was like, is he writing this to someone that he's known and that's not there right now? Or is he writing this to someone he's never met? You know, like when you're addressing the love of your life, but you've never met them. Like initially that kind of crossed my mind. And then when I saw those visuals, I was like, oh no, I think it's someone he's already met and then separated from. So वहाँ मुझे थोड़ा confusion हुआ. If somebody can tell me which one it was, that would be nice. Okay, lovely. So yay for Manu and another feather in his cap. And let me know what you thought of this song. I think I might just add this to the Rondu playlist. Rondu playlist or the other one, the happy playlist. Let me know. Let me know where you think it belongs. Chalo, DM me for further recommendations. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
आसमां में जरा जान देख वो तारे जो बिल्कुल साथ हैं, वो है हम जो हैं चमकते तेरे नाम पे, छोड़ दे तू ये